If your Honda Ridgeline's Apple CarPlay or Bluetooth is acting up, don't head to the dealer just yet. Statistically, 85% of these connection failures are caused by software glitches rather than hardware damage. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment back online. Start with a hard reboot of the head unit by holding the power knob until the system prompts for a restart. If you are using a wired connection, the cable is the most common point of failure for CarPlay. For Bluetooth issues, clearing out old paired devices from the Ridgeline's memory often resolves handshake errors. Know the difference between a simple software bug and a physical port failure that requires a shop visit. As you can see, nearly half of all connectivity complaints are solved by a simple system reset. If basic reboots fail, a full factory data reset from the system menu is your last DIY option. Keep an original Apple cable in your glove box to rule out third-party hardware issues in the future. Remember to ask your technician to check for firmware updates whenever you take the truck in for service. With these steps, your Ridgeline should be fully connected again. Safe driving.